Delissio versus delivery.
Where's your pizza? I don't know. There it is.
Here's your watermelon pizza you ordered.
Yummy.
Hey guys, mine's on delivery. It's Delissio.
Well, these one's full of sugary fats.
Yours is full of sugary fats. I would
Are you
not be
serious?
talking.
It's healthy.
Are you kidding me?
Yeah, watermelon's healthier than greasy, ugly pizza.
Fine, be healthy and ugly.
You're calling ugly or pretty people ugly and fat?
You're not.
That hurt?
By the way, why'd you guys order watermelon pizza?
No. Okay, where is it?
Delissio wins. Really? Really, Delissio wins? What now,